Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you Apple released the recently new iOS 18.3 developer beta. So guys, how to install the new iOS 18.3 beta developer beta on your any iPhone. Simply tap on the settings app, tap on general, tap on the software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update. If iOS 18.3 beta is not showing, simply tap on the beta updates and you can see appears on screen three features: iOS 18 public beta, iOS 18 developer beta. Tap on iOS 18 developer beta, go back and you can see appears on screen iOS 18.3 beta is here. iOS beta gives you an early preview of upcoming apps, features and technologies. Please back up your iPhone before you install the beta. For more information, please visit one of the following programs: Apple Beta Software Program at beta.apple.com and Apple Developer Program at developer.apple.com. Update now, tap on it. Enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen update requested. When the update is downloaded on your device, simply install the new iOS 18.3 beta and enjoy. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to install the new iOS 18.3 developer beta on your iPhone. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.